Capsule number 17 is for integral and non-integral cost accounting system. Friends, whatever cost we incur is to be recorded in books of accounts. There should be recording cost in books of accounts, and that is called cost accounting system. Cost accounting system can be maintained in two ways. There are two methods. That is non-integral and integral. Now, what exactly is non-integral? Friends, we study accounts, advanced accounts, and that is called financial records. That is called financial accounts. We do that. The objective is to know the financial position of the business as on a particular date. These records are also audited. It is mandatory to keep financial record as per your income tax act, as per your companies. Okay. Now, other than this, we can also have a cost accounting system where the objective is to calculate the cost, to reduce the cost, to control the cost. Okay. And when there are these financial department and cost department maintaining two separate records, cost records and financial records. When there are two separate set of books maintained, there are two departments functioning, you know, differently. So this is called non-integrated system, non-integral system. Okay. Now what happens here is both have got different objects. Both follow different standards. Your financial accounts will follow your accounting standard, whereas your cost accounts will follow cost accounting standard. So they work different. Got it? But what happens when the company keeps these two books of accounts, two separate sets? There is, double the cost. And there is always duplication of work because records are separate, but business is one. So transactions will be same, sales will be recorded in financial accounts, same sales will be recorded in cost accounts. So there is duplication of work. So to save the cost, to avoid this duplication of work, there is a possibility that you can combine these two. You can have a combined, you can have an integrated system for cost and financial accounts, and that is called integrated system. Single combined set of books of accounts is made. Okay. So this is the way you can record your cost. You can have cost accounting system. Okay.